Unit 2, Lesson 2, Reading. Read about what Ziad, Angie and Aya do at the weekend. اقرأ عن زياد وإنجي وآية في الويك اند بتاعهم في عطلة نهاية الأسبوع. Choose 2 sentences from A to D ونختار جملتين من A ل D. Number 1. Hi, I am Ziad. I live with my mom and dad in a small flat in Minya. زياد بيقول لنا هاي أنا اسمي زياد أنا عايش مع ماما وبابا in a small flat في شقة صغيرة in Minya في المنيا. At the weekend I am usually quite lazy. عطلة نهاية الأسبوع I am usually quite lazy ببقى دايما كسلان جدا. Lazy means كسلان. Number 2. Hello, I'm Angie and this is my sister Aya. We live near the sea. Angie بتقول لنا hello, I'm Angie أنا Angie and this is my sister ودي أختي آية. We live near the sea. إحنا عايشين جنب البحر. Near بجانب the sea البحر. Now we are going to read 4 sentences, 2 for زياد and the other for Angie. هنقرأ 4 جمل 2 لزياد و2 لإنجي. Letter A. My father and my uncle have an old boat which they are repairing. My father بابا and my uncle عمي have an old boat يعني مركبة قديمة old which they are repairing اللي هم بيصلحوها. I'm learning to sail but Aya doesn't like the water very much. أنا بتعلم to sail يعني أبحر أمشي في البحر بمركبة but Aya doesn't like the water very much لكن Aya بتحبش المية قوي يعني. This sentence الجملة دي belongs to Angie. That's right. Letter B. On Friday evening, my parents and I usually have a big dinner with my grandparents. On Friday evening الجمعة في المساء My parents and I بابا وماما وأنا usually have a big dinner بناخد عشاء كبير big with my grandparents مع جدو وتيتا. And we sometimes stay at their house. وساعات بنقعد في بيتهم. It's bigger than our flat. أكبر من شقتنا. Bigger than means أكبر من. This sentence belongs to زياد. Right. Letter C. At the weekend, we do our homework and on Saturday, we sometimes spend time with our father and uncle on their boat. The weekend في عطلة نهاية الأسبوع we do our homework بنعمل الهومورك بتاعنا and on Saturdays ويوم السبت we sometimes ساعات spend time بنقضي وقت with our father and uncle مع بابا وعمو on their boat في المركب بتاعتهم. Yes, Angie, right. Letter D. On Saturday morning I often stay in bed and then I have a late breakfast with my grandmother. On Saturday morning يوم السبت الصبح I often stay in bed بقعد في السرير and then I have a late breakfast الفطار بتاعي بيبقى late متأخر with my grandmother مع تيتا. She is a fantastic cook. هي طباخة هايلة. Fantastic. Cook means طباخ. In the afternoon I do my homework. بعد الظهر بعمل الواجب. This sentence belongs to زياد. الجملة دي طبعا تخص زياد. Now let's answer the questions. نحل بقى السؤال. Choose 2 sentences from A to D. 2 sentences for زياد B and D and for Angie A and C. Number 2. Choose the correct answer. هنختار الإجابة الصح. On Saturday morning, زياد enjoys spending time with his grandmother. Very good. يعني يوم السبت الصبح زياد بيستمتع spending time إنه يقضي وقت with grandmother مع تيتو. Number 2. At the weekend, زياد likes to have a rest, play sports, or go swimming? Yes, have a rest. Letter E. يعني في عطلة نهاية الأسبوع زياد بيحب إن هو يعمل إيه؟ have a rest إن هو يستريح ياخد rest، play sport يلعب رياضة، or go swimming ولا يروح يعوم. Right, have a rest. Number 3. At the weekend, Aya and NG are A. Helping to repair a boat, B. Doing their homework, C. Catching fish. في عطلة نهاية الأسبوع يا ترى Aya and NG are helping to repair a boat بيساعدوا في إن هم يصلحوا المركب، repair يصلح a boat المركبة، or doing their homework ولا بيعملوا الهومورك، or catching fish ولا بيصطادوا سمك. Yes, letter B, doing their homework. Number 4. They often spend time with their A. Uncle and aunt, B. Friends, C. Uncle and father. Yes, letter C, uncle and father. يعني they often spend time عادة هم بيقضوا وقت with their مع مين؟ uncle and aunt عمهم وعمتهم، or friends صحابهم، or uncle and father. Yes, uncle and father. Speaking. Number 3. Ask and answer the questions in pairs. يلا نسأل ونجاوب مع بعض كل اتنين. Number 1. What do you usually do at the weekend? عادة بتعمل ايه في عطلة نهاية الأسبوع؟ At the weekend, for example, I usually get up early. بصحى بدري. Number 2. Whose weekend activities would you prefer to do? Ziad's or Angie's? Why? Whose يعني بتاع مين أو أنهي weekend activities أنشطة نهاية الأسبوع أنهي واحدة اللي هي تخص مين would you prefer to do اللي تفضل تعملها. زياد's طبعا هنا قلنا apostrophe s for possessive للملكية يعني week end of زياد أو زياد's weekend، or Angie's weekend أنهي عطلة أسبوع فيهم بتفضلها أكتر and why وليه. Listening. Listen to 3 people talking about learning new skills and put the photos in the correct order. يعني هنسمع 3 أشخاص بيتكلموا about learning new skills عن تعلم مهارات جديدة new skills and put the photos ونحط الصور in the correct order في الترتيب الصح بتاعها. Listen carefully. نسمع كويس.
I'm Tamer. At the moment, I'm learning a new skill. I'm learning sign language, so I can communicate better with my cousin Sammy. Sammy is deaf. He can't hear. He is learning sign language at school too. I'm having sign language lessons on Saturday morning, so I can give Sammy a surprise.
I am Iman. At the weekend, I'm learning to do lots of new things. Our neighbor, Mr. Osman, is in hospital at the moment, with some other neighbors in our building. We are repairing his flat. My sister and I are painting the kitchen, and I'm also sewing some new curtains.
I'm Manal. Mona and I are starting a calligraphy and art club at school. We're very excited about it. My uncle is an artist, and he's coming to the school to teach us. We are studying traditional Arabic calligraphy, and we're enjoying it very much. I'm making a calligraphy book for my uncle as a present.
زي ما سمعنا أول واحد اتكلم تامر وقال I am تامر. At the moment I am learning a new skill. أنا في اللحظة دي بتعلم مهارة جديدة. skill مهارة. I'm learning sign language بتعلم لغة الإشارة. sign G silent مش بتتنطق. sign language لغة الإشارة. so I can communicate ولذلك أنا بستطيع أني أتواصل better with my cousin سامي مع ابن عمي سامي. سامي is deaf. سامي أصم. he can't hear مش بيسمع. he is learning sign language وبيتعلم لغة الإشارة at school في المدرسة too. أيضا I am having sign language lessons وأنا كمان باخد دروس في لغة الإشارة on Saturday يوم السبت morning الصبح so I can give سامي a surprise. عشان كده ممكن أعمل لسامي مفاجأة. إيمان كمان قالت I am إيمان. At the weekend I am learning to do lots of new things. في العطلة بتاعتي بتعلم أعمل حاجات كتيرة جديدة. Our neighbor يعني جار GH silent مش بتتنطق neighbor. Mr. عثمان is in hospital في المستشفى at the moment في اللحظة دي with some other neighbors in our building. هو ومجموعة من الجيران في العمارة بتاعتنا أو في المبنى بتاعنا. We are repairing his flat. وإحنا بنصلح له الشقة بتاعته his flat. My sisters and I are painting the kitchen. أنا وأختي بندهن المطبخ and I am also sewing some new curtains. وأنا كمان بخيط بعض الستاير. sew يعني يخيط. منال كمان قالت I am منال. منى and I are starting a calligraphy and art club at school. منى وأنا ابتدينا نادي للفن والخط في المدرسة. We are very excited about it. وإحنا مبسوطين قوي بيه. My uncle is an artist. وعمي فنان and he is coming to school. وبيجي المدرسة to teach us عشان يعلمنا. We are studying traditional Arabic calligraphy. احنا بندرس دلوقتي فن الخط العربي القديم تقليدي and we are enjoying it very much. ومبسوطين ومستمتعين بيه جدا. I am making a calligraphy book. وأنا هعمل كتاب للخطوط for my uncle as a present كهدية لعمي. Number 5. Listen again and answer the questions. هنسمع تاني ونحل الأسئلة. Number 1. Who does Tamer want to communicate with? يا ترى تامر عايز يتعامل مع مين أو يتواصل مع مين؟ communicate with yes his cousin. Number 2. What can't a deaf person do? ايه اللي مش بيقدر يعمله الشخص اللي هو مش بيسمع؟ طبعا he can't hear he or she. Number 3. Who are إيمان and her sister helping? إيمان وأختها كانوا بيساعدوا مين؟ They are helping their neighbor Mr. عثمان. Here neighbor means جارهم. طبعا هنا GH silent مش بيتنطقوا neighbor. Number 4. Where is Mr. عثمان? فينه؟ where أين؟ He is in the hospital في المستشفى. Number 5. Who is teaching منال at the calligraphy and art club? مين اللي بيدرس منال في نادي الفن والخط؟ calligraphy means فن الخط. Who is teaching منال؟ مين بقى اللي بيدرس لها؟ her uncle is teaching her. uncle طبعا ينفع العم أو الخال. Number 6. What's منال making for her uncle؟ عملت له إيه؟ She is making a calligraphy book. عملت له كتاب فن خط. Language. Number 6. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. هنكمل الجمل بتصحيح الأفعال اللي بين قوسين. Number 1. تامر learn a new skill at the moment. At the moment present continuous. am is are plus verb plus ing. يبقى تامر is learning. Excellent. Number 2. Iman and her neighbors repair Mr. عثمان's flat now. Now الآن يبقى برضو present continuous. am is are verb ing. طبعا neighbors جمع عشان كده هتاخد are. Iman and her neighbors are repairing ing عثمان's flat now. Number 3. Mr. عثمان live in a lovely flat. عايش في شقة جميلة. live ده present simple عشان دي حاجة عادية. عايش في شقة جميلة يبقى s with he she it. مستر عثمان طبعا he يبقى with s lives. That's right. Number 4. Mel and Mona study calligraphy every day. Every day present simple خدناه في unit 1. simple s with he she it. يا ترى منال and منى with s؟ لا طبعا عشان منال and منى they without s من غير s يبقى study as it is زي ما هي بالظبط. Number 7. Work in pairs. Ask and answer the questions. نشتغل مع بعض كل نسأل ونجاوب الأسئلة. Number 1. Which subjects are you finding easy or difficult at school at the moment? ايه المواد اللي انت بتعتبرها او بتجدها finding تجد easy سهلة or difficult صعبة at school at the moment في الدقيقة اللي احنا فيها دي؟ ايه رأيك؟ Number 2. Tell me about something that you are enjoying at the moment. قول لنا على حاجة تكون بتستمتع بيها حاليا. Why are you enjoying it? وليه بتستمتع بيها؟ Remember. نفتكر بقى مع بعض. Use the present simple زي ما خدنا في unit 1 for habits بالحقائق. I always drink milk for breakfast. routines and repeated actions الحاجات اللي بتتكرر الروتين اليومي بتاعك أو الحاجات اللي بتتكرر. we go to school every day. things that are always true حاجات صح على طول. for example my aunt lives in Cairo هي عايشة في القاهرة حاجة ما بتتغيرش. طيب present بقى continuous اللي خدناه unit 2 use the present continuous for things happening now حاجة بتحصل دلوقتي now الآن. for example I'm sitting in my English class. am is are verb ing أنا قاعد دلوقتي في الكلاس now. unfinished actions in progress around now حاجة شغالة حوالين الوقت الحالي. for example my sister is learning to dance هي الأيام دي بتتعلم رقص. temporary situation or actions حدث مؤقت بيحصل في الوقت الحالي. for example they are painting the school this week هما دلوقتي بيدهنوا المدرسة. this week يعني الأسبوع ده شغالين في الموضوع. Thank you very much. We are going to meet soon with unit 2 lesson 3. Goodbye.